Politricks watch. This is your P. Now, today is the long-awaited, highly anticipated City Post video. I'm going to even drop in some more of the recordings them on the year yet. Yeah man, we have a whole heap of recordings left. You're going to hear my City Post, the man who hate Informer. Order 87 be Informer. This is why I laugh off of the concept of Informer. If you're a long time supporter of the movement, not people who tune into the channel but supporter of the movement, you know one of the first narratives I try to kill was the Informer narrative. Right? That, and boy, you're Informer, the man of Informer. And remember the video a long time? Right? Me telling you, say, a bad man are the biggest Informer. So, telling a civilian, right, about the inform is unique on me because it's like say them want to hold on upon the informing for themselves. You done them, right? Name the done. Right? Informer. Inform on all them on 87. When them get hot, call police, make police kill the 87. Then the police look like a hero in the mainstream. Right? Not knowing say the done they want to get rid of him. If people understand how badness really work, right, the youth them will run from it. Unicorn mean. That's how you one time I see your favorite artist make informing song. Right. I was laughing because we don't know theme thing already. Right. Big Informer. Right. Even bigger than me. And that takes some doing because I don't know my thing I informing already. So if somebody's a bigger informer than me, you know, so them are serious informing. But it's laughable. What is informing? Right. Well, you're going to hear City Post. Right. Tell man say inform. See if we're going to tell all about it. You're also going to hear in the same video, say City Post have a little, what they call it, fetish. I don't even know where to begin with this. All thing I wonder right now is whether his name have to go change to Freaky Puss. Right, or City Cock. Because, well, you're going to hear. So, I'm going to make C4 take over. From time to time, you're going to hear a recording, or even me, right, step in. Right, so, check this out.
Well, let me tell you a thing with Puss now. I say, City Puss is a man, you see. If you don't like you and rate you, it's a man where we do the world for you, friend and rate you. Nobody am friend and rate you. You see, friend can call you and get you when you want to call you. But the moment you want to call you and not get you, that change in a minute, a second. Split of a second that change. Once, you can't call your phone and get you. But friend can call you and get you, and when they're bored and wants to talk to you, can call you and talk to you. It's a man who will do anything for you. And City Post don't like, I'm saying don't like police, City Post don't like police. When City Post talk about culture, it's like the passion. When put back item and say, yo, that culture left it dead. It's a different level. City Post don't like police, none at all. My way is nothing good for say about police. And when I say police are corruption, basically everybody are corruption for City Post, you know, because when City Post attack, if you don't like him, say a corruption. And if I pray you as corruption, next thing I pray, if you dead back at that. Because that man they love kill. I don't remember if I want to record, I remember I say, one woman him used to talk to, he get a call say, oh, she an informer. And he push a gun up in her pussy and kill her. And that man there, I know what say, he must have a different mentality of how him think about things. City Post not like informer, as we can tell. And everybody are informer for City Post. I say him not like Squeezer and he want to kill Squeezer, you know. Can't say Squeezer informer, right? Yet still when they want to catch Shella from Shelter, because they say Shella killed Danny. When the police want to Squeezer if he Brocky father murder. Dylan and Marcus could deal with Brocky father murder. When they want to Squeezer, City Post tell him say, yo, tell the police them say, yo, a Shella killed Danny.
hear me? I hear me just with a voice note. More sure to hold the gun with Papa, just in case them are hold on for suicide.
Oh, no, seriously.
Oh.
No, short him.
Shrek and in answer. Yeah, more see if you can make Mama go for Shrek. Shrek with them on the ground in the fire.
No, man.
Please.
So squeeze that gun in.
So him a go in like 10 minutes you know.
That's very
But
different.
him a say boy then call your mother. Understand the squeeze them a ball see blood clot gun them I know them get squeeze I say man want it, police want it. Rather know if you are one want it. Rather go in. So me I say them where them a request on the road. A lot them a go want lock you up.
You must get locked up, man. You have some in. Don't let you know.
Then they want it to do something already said.
Mm-hmm.
They want chat screen.
Yeah.
And then time they never go in then time. So me have to say, they know what I'm telling him. I have to try it.
Just walk it up.
I just have to block them a call in here. Is it?
True.
Yeah. Them a call up in here. Don't tell him say, yo. You have to tell them say, I shall actually blood clot Danny boy and you will shall what you say. Don't tell him say, yo. You have to tell them say, I shall actually blood clot Danny boy and you will shall what you say.
Sure.
But more sure up on the ground with Papa, because Papa alone has to do the way.
I'm not sure it is.
Mama can go fish right down.
Yeah, but I forgot to check first, though.
Yeah, do way all.
Alright.
You hear me?
Yeah.
I did to call back to G cousin, but me not go call him back till look come over. Me know say man they organize and they on the ground.
No problem.
Yeah, so what you know, come like I just me if you call him and tell him how much thing he can give me or why me get them right away.
Just make a link, man, and swear, man.
You see? So more Shrek them up on the ground and make freezer if you dead it, you know, because freezer would have money to 6 man them, you know.
You gotta come on now for him, man. So I want him going on
Yeah.
straight with you. Agree?
The way I do, when I get to jump back on the road, I tell that like I definitely for us.
Alright.
Because I never done for pan squeeze eye still, so I never squeeze eye. But see the post literally tell him to be inform and tell him on him say, yo, I shall I kill Danny. And it's a man who say, he ate informer from your informer, you have dead. Yes, still him tell the next man in the gang, for inform. But a man way, did it not the gang as well. But because the man have fall out, because when the man fall out now and them say the man kill Danny, it's okay for Squeezy to inform on that man because that man is not a part of the other thing. But yet still him say Squeezy is inform and want to kill Squeezy. So when I look upon it, you know, it's like every man who say they want to kill informer, then look upon it as a different. It's like if you're inform upon me, you're informer. But if you're inform upon me, man cross road over there so. Or next to the man when you're worried, you're not informer. So I don't know the difference between that thing was inform and inform. It really matter what. And I don't call it inform, man. I call it doing something good for your country. Get rid of corruption, man. Any way possible. Because if my cousin do something wrong now, I not defend him. If he's wrong, he's wrong. My brother is wrong, he's wrong. So call me an informer if you want to call me an informer. I just said that. And Silipus have this virgin a drive. Anyway, Silipus want him to go and go. If Silipus want him to go pick up weed, pick up a man, a girl, from point A to point B, that the man to do it. I remember one of the time when man ended up on the phone and man say, oh, you want to care to go up on the road because man fear dead. And it's like, you know, if nobody take no care of fire road. So still dead them time, you know, nobody take no care of fire road. And it's like the man uneasy, man, can't focus, man, can't go in bed. Every minute man up on the phone and make call. Come and say, I forget a car tonight. And the man have a virgin who used to run up and down for him and thing. When I say I'm virgin, so when I have a virgin, I call him. And this I'm boom and call the man and I say, yo, what going on, where you depend? Man, I say, I'm there, man. The man say to the man, I say, You know, more you pick up a barrel for me. I get that money to pick up a barrel and carry it from point A to point B. But when I do still now, I tell the man, figure up on the road, so figure pick up Jones Avenue, I say the man. So you reach at Jones Avenue, the man would have kill him, hide him body, and take his care. So that was the aim. But I don't know if I catch him and catch an hour. I want to tell him I have car problem. Because I say I have engine problem, I say I have wire problem. I say the man don't know what happened to the car, but he man say I have car problem because I want to make the move. And when the man go phone, see the Puss, I say, I'm bored at now doing anything for me, you know. I know I'm saying go. Because I think man shut the dip online. I say, check, I say, that man sound like him a trust you. And I say, yeah man, he trust me man. I know I'm saying go man. But I kill him and kill him and taking care of the night. I come out, I care, I'm not busy where I forget it from. So if I feel him care, I forget, I will kill him and take it. So my biggest corruption. If you're a man to talk about corruption, City Puss are the biggest corruption. And I can tell you, it's like something with that man there. Him just sit down, as him say, the only thing in that jail for do is sit down and meds fuckery, no nothing else to do in himself. He just sit down, meds fuckery, go up on Facebook and search who he can search. That man have a picture with everybody in one. Every single soul him have a picture with. Because he know nothing else to do as him say. He not go bathroom, go bathe in bed in himself and a bucket. He say, nah, go bathroom for nobody fit to make Tesha water and kill him. And if he know in himself, he want Joel and them a play domino. Because he say Joel and them and him up on the same block. And the whole man, him link with no other man. Because the boy want link with the culture and he not trust them. And he now go bathroom when the man push him out in a barrel. So him saying just take a bucket and bathe upon him bike. And I can tell you, see, all of man them where you see, I said them are done termite, bed bugs, all of them. If City Puss that road, all of them are high, because I go for every one of them. As tough as I see them are going, if they use a City Puss that road tomorrow, them are hide. Because City Puss I go kill them. As in go road, him I go start the killing, he not itch. Because a man with us, he just love it. People feel like dead for him, basically. So if you remove a mountain for City Puss and you see one time you can't do something for him, yeah, corruption and man kill you. Yeah man, City Puss is a man, if him it's like if him mind tell him say, you know say that boy they up to something, it's like he always go. As how him say. If him say I trust that man and if you watch him, it always work out in a way if you say that man there do something wrong, say for true. So I don't know how make him so, but anytime you tell a thing, it always goes so. Or when I hear mention about atters are like, they call gun atters. You know, sometimes you have a gun where you kill a certain man, you not even want to run it because that can bring down heat on your attention. It have a certain amount of killing panny. The only second last say, oh, the gun you have too much dopey, so we don't want that gun right so. Or it have a big neck for say. If man find police find us you kill someone, yeah, this are bring on that type of heat there. Just like how the Douglas Chambers thing, you know, them say the gun, them want to go in a Spanish town. So when I call a gun the hot gun, so them want it in the ear for John or eat on them. Cause say for instance, police find a gun in a black man zone. The pressure come from black man now. So them try to avoid that at all costs. So more than I have a gun to kill certain type of people, I have too much dopey money. They will try to sell it and get rid of it. But try to sell it in a different parish. Well, City Puss have a whole heap of money when spend on a road, you know. You just make extortion money reach them, you know, because you know, I have more than one people collect extortion. But you know, say, I control the Syrian them over Oasis Plaza as well. I don't know if you still get money from them. Because they must cut off that by now. And I have a few more stores on Thompson and Greendale I'm not get from as well. So, as I say, you have some woman, some young girl, you will place them in some bar for run program and get money. It's a man like that. You might always try to get somebody who can use a program. So as long as he can program it, you use it for run program, he take care of you. As I said before, if that man rate you and can get it for use you, as long as he have control over you, you get anything you want from him. But the moment he can't control you, he want to kill you, just him that. Remember one night when City Puss link up Fraser and the bankers in? I say, yo,
I'm gonna pick up a girl and watch her work for me because in the rent house up what's her name? Green Acres. Them not pay a bit rent. You understand? A nice big house. So you know, City Puss have a few girls do road film and get information on the road film. So they have a nice slim brown you that take care of on the road and thing and make sure you get money and thing. And the man call her and say, yo, I'm gonna make a man knock you later here. And I gotta say anything anymore. You know, anything. She agree and thing. So the man called Fraser and say, Fraser, I pick up a girl from my XYZ, right? Agreement, everything done. I don't know Fraser. So you don't say, sell black free up on the independent road. The man say, yo, Fraser, you knock it for me now. And I tell you if you knock it. Fraser say, yes, I'm charging. That's how I heard, bossy. So, Fraser in that room, I knock a girl down, man. And the man about say, yeah, Fraser, harder, Fraser. Man, I say, Fraser, put it in our backers, Fraser, put it in our backers. Man, I say, knock it, Fraser, knock it. Man, I say, yeah, Fraser, I love how you knock it, yo. That one, if I jerk, the man I jerk off while the man tell Fraser to knock a girl. And I tell Fraser what kind of position him to put her, you know. But that night there was a night still, you know. Man, I say, Fraser, knock it, Fraser, knock it.
I don't know where to begin. Freaky Puss. I understand. See, this is why I don't want a bad tell me say bad man no do this and bad man no do that and nobody can make bad man. Turns out bad man are the biggest freak. I never even know say yard man that them something, you know. I never know say Iron man involved in them something. Years ago, when I get work in the hotel industry. And some of the man them used to come back with some story. I say Billy Joe used to fly them. And Billy Joe used to want see them with them wife and Billy Joe that sit down and watch. I think them call it cook. Me never know say yard man that them something, you know. Me never know say Iron man get after watching. Man a blow out them woman back to smithereens to the point where man all a directed. Freaky Puss. I don't understand what I'm going. Listen, I understand every man have them thing. Every man have them little, you know, thing with them, we get them going, but this is new to me. Me know say Iron man them a go on all kind of things, but this is a whole different level. Freaky Puss. Right. You could have just met the woman send you one picture or one video of herself. You want my opinion, Freaky Puss. I understand say man in jail. I understand say when you spend years in a jail and you're deprived of legal eye, I understand say man still have urges. Right? And if you're not sprat, then I imagine jail is not a fun time for you. So I understand. But the woman could have sent Freaky Puss one video of herself. Right? I show the needle eye, I touch the needle eye or something, and Freaky Puss could have get after that. But Freaky Puss I get off the frazzle, blowing out her back to smithereens. Freaky Puss, you think different youth. I don't want a man tell me nothing about a bad man. Cause City Puss I go with them sitting here. And City Puss is Apex 87, I don't want you nothing from the rest of them. All I need to walk when I saw a bad man and bad man this and bad man live and tell. Right? Bad man do everything. Right? Bad man a cook, bad man a freak, bad man a sprat, bad man everything. Right now, I'm not trust none of them. Extraordinary. Freaky Puss. I say clansman name role, man. I study Notorious clansman name role. Go on, Frazzle. Turn it round, Frazzle. I saw up, Frazzle. In case I wonder when Frazzle dead. So, City Puss probably thinks that Frazzle dead with that secret there. But other man did that, yeah. Extraordinary.
So, is what I'm saying? Is a man, in mentality, I don't know if it's about him, but if him start prayer, him go pray. The woman was sending City Puss a prison, right? She and her daughter, I'm saying. The man say every day I'm on Facebook. Them are the main reason I'm on Facebook because he must search for them, and he said, never yet buck them up. He said, the girl brother, him I think too. He said, girl brother, you can go up on him on film profile and search them, at the film profile, them at the pan. Because that's one of the reasons him start pre-Tesha to you, because when the girl him say get a link to them that jungle, and they link Tesha and Tesha for the unit, and Tesha say I'm going to talk to them and make them go court, because I not kill them. And then lift up from jungle, can I say make a link a jungle, because I not depend on Tesha. Make a link a jungle, and by the time if make a link like the link miss, and then people then lift up and go watch it. And then him say you get a link to which part I watch it then die, because they're not witness protection program. And he say you get a link which part them there, I watch it. And by the time if you run up some man for go watch it, for go mash up them disappear and say from that, you must see a year back from them again. But him never ever stop. Him say as long as I have breath in his body, he never ever stop look for them because they are half dead. Because they send him to prison. And I said that's why I married Tesha, because Tesha push against him. Because I say if he come on road, Tesha knows that he would have run anything. So Tesha will push him out. So that's why I say the Puss do not like Tesha. Because I say Tesha will push him out for making him out of jail. Because Tesha could have get rid of a witness and make him free upon that road. And I can't tell you, if City Puss is that road, I would have been the man for true. Because that man know if he use him brain right and proper way. Sometimes if he made the road, he would have kill black man and take over too. Based on how him talk and how he operate. It's just that true black man at the upfront man, more time him say something and black man say no. He just alright then. From black man say so, because he take care of me, love it. So based off of how him talk and correspond more time, him would have killed black man and take over, because enough man in the system would have kill off and take over. It's just that in that jail, and black man can get money and thing, because black man can keep him connect them. So because of that now, a black man they pay for him lawyer can appeal. A black man that deal in appeal and everything already. So because of that, he must have a rating to black man, because he always said no, black man put him back on the map, you know. Because him said then left him, then forget about him and dash him, you know. Tesha left him and forget about him. A black man is the reason why him get to run back road and have control. If it wasn't for black man, he would have talked of enough man. So that's why I see him with black man that much and say nah grow in general. Can I say black man do for him, Tesha never do for him.
Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on the cell. Yeah, you don't know, more like Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.